नायब वज़ीर-ए-आज़म इसहाक डार कहते हैं कि मादनी वसाइल को बरूए कार लाने के लिए ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सरमायाकारी दरकार है। उम्मीद है कि मिनरल्स फोरम से मादनियात के शोबे में सरमायाकारी की राह हमवार होगी।
Investment Forum this morning and in this convention hall. Today, we gather to deliberate on a critical subject that shapes economies, fuels technological progress, and holds the potential for sustainable development across the globe, investment in the mineral sector. Ladies and gentlemen, as an advocate of economic diplomacy, I consider it a crucial tool in our shared mission to transform Pakistan's trade and investment landscape, not only broadly, but also specifically within the minerals sector. Ladies and gentlemen, we meet at a time when Pakistan is entering a new phase of economic progress. The government of Pakistan has taken tough but very essential decisions to stabilize the economy. The results of these efforts are becoming increasingly visible across key macroeconomic indicators. Strong remittance inflows and increasing foreign direct investment are providing much needed foreign exchange, boosting domestic consumption, investments, and overall economic growth. These achievements, coupled with improved credit rating from Fitch and Moody's, underscore our commitment to economic stability and fiscal discipline in the leadership of Prime Minister Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan is strategically positioned to emerge as a global mining powerhouse, underpinned by its unparalleled geological wealth, anchored in the Tethyan Metallurgical Belt, one of the world's largest copper-gold zones. Pakistan is home to monumental reserves like the Reko Diq. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan also hosts vast resources of rare earth elements, industrial minerals, non-metallics, and gemstones. Untapped mineral potential, Pakistan's resource corridor is primed to reshape global supply chains and attract foreign direct investment. Ladies and gentlemen, historically, our geological potential has remained underutilized. The mineral sector has yet to translate into economic gains proportionate to its potential. The government of Pakistan has therefore prioritized the strategic development of this sector through progressive policy reforms and investor-centric initiatives, laying the foundation for a robust ecosystem that delivers value for all stakeholders. Aligning our regulatory frameworks with competitive fiscal terms, Pakistan is positioning itself as a dynamic hub for sustainable, high-yield ventures in resource exploitation, extraction, refining, logistics, and infrastructure. It stands as a strategic advantage, mirroring our geological wealth with over 60% of the population under the age of 30 and a median age of 22.8 years. Our youth, if empowered through targeted and capacity building initiatives, can become a catalyst for innovation and excellence.